love Ghana.
Korea. Korea.
Oh, I love Ghana, chat.
Korea. Korea. This is how you hold it. Shows your power.
Shows my power.
You are being activated.
Alright, so from what day I watch IShowSpeed in Africa. And I say, you know, the same way them are going to receive Vybz Kartel in Africa, them are going to show him all over the place. And you know, Vybz Kartel are going to record it. And all heap of propaganda are going to get debunked. You know, some things where mainstream media would have suppressed. Yeah, Vybz Kartel are going to expose all heap of things to Africa, and that's the way IShowSpeed I do right now in Africa. Him do it in China, him do it everywhere him go. You see me, but me attack Africa and Vybz Kartel and Africa and IShowSpeed. So we're gonna call him IShow Gaza or IShow Kartel. Me I go into the comparison. I am DJ Dreadbeard and this is Real Talk.
This is Real Talk.
Real Talk.
DJ Dreadbeard, subscribe now.
Yeah man people, welcome back to a brand new episode of This is Real Talk, and I'm your host DJ Dreadbeard. Don't know how the drill go? If a Real Talk me I make, type Real Talk in the comment section, like the video and subscribe if a Real Talk me I make. The PayPal link I got in the description or it I go in the comment section. You see me? So if you don't want to support the channel, just shot me a dog food. So yo, so if you don't know who's IShowSpeed is a streamer. Him is a gaming streamer and now him is a travel streamer. You see me? Where him just go around the world and him have a team where I record him. So him travel while him a stream live. And when him go to them place, him always have a group of people around him. Him always have the people him watch him on live stream. Them are gonna know say him a founder them country cause him would tell them. And everybody has set up and a wait. So most people don't know say none of them things it not just random like the people them where bring him from location to location. Like them would bring him a one cook shop, them would bring him a one museum, them would bring him a some park, Ray. You see me? So when you get the drift, him go all over the world and expose cultures and things. When him go to China, whole heap of people think that China is like one place where it does strict. It's strict so till you can't do nothing at all. When IShowSpeed go them have beer fun like America him there. Same way. You see me? So whole heap of things him expose and propaganda and stereotypes and them thing them break them thing there. So that's how I streaming though. So why would I compare Vybz Kartel now to IShowSpeed in Africa? Remember me tell you, in Africa, don't bother get it twisted and go all over the place. In Africa now, Vybz Kartel would have the same clout there where IShowSpeed have. So the reason why I say him not just go them random place, when people know say IShowSpeed are founder them country, it's a way of show them culture to the world. It's a way of show certain indigenous and certain things where mainstream media would have suppressed, and them tell us I be hungry belly people the African. Since the internet, we have find out for ourselves say you have places in Africa where pretty than New York City and pretty than LA and the cities and all the sky rise and building and them things there. So the internet do that. But what IShowSpeed them do is them go in it, them go down in the culture, down in the mud, them go everywhere and show you how the people them nice and welcoming, and you would have break certain stereotype and break certain barriers where people would normally take up a plane ticket and say them a go to Africa or them a go to China. After IShowSpeed done with China, whole heap of American go to China. After him I got done with Africa, whole heap of people a go just go to Africa. Because the mainstream media something there, yeah, him debunk the whole of that. So him have the clout. So when him come to your country, is a way of expose certain things. Same thing with Vybz Kartel, because them love Vybz Kartel. Them all want to bring him this, so them all want to give him the gift. Yeah. So him a go tour the place with him camera crew, and I saw y'all get for sittings. Just like how IShowSpeed in the butter shop and them a rub him down with the butter and thing. I saw Vybz Kartel a go to some place where you would normally see them something there. Even though we have TikTok, you're not going to see them something upon TikTok. So that's what I mean, say, the person who Vybz Kartel is where always are document things on camera. Yeah. So when somebody say, yo, Vybz Kartel, this is our jealous rice, the famous jealous rice. So when I look, whole heap of people want to go to the shop there because Vybz Kartel would have posted on him Instagram and every other social media site to talk about it. It's gonna be a fanfare. So it's a way of expose a business and advertise a business to the world. Advertise a culture to the world. That's what IShowSpeed do, and that Vybz Kartel are gonna do when him go to Africa. No different. The only difference is the activity them where IShowSpeed take part in. Vybz Kartel not gonna normally take part in them activities there. But he might go at the location and go at some ice cream shop where some people make ice cream with them hand, and some things that we don't know about, some things that we are going to get highlighted to. All heap of them things there, Vybz Kartel are going to make we know them something there. When him go to Africa, I remember say everybody are going to give him. Everybody I want to give him and bring him at the place there and show him them place there. Some things we don't see on TV. Even though we have the internet, some things we don't see on the internet. So that are the comparison we draw with Vybz Kartel and IShowSpeed. It's a way of expose and advertise a business. So remember the man where did run back at IShowSpeed, the China man, who him name Unk. Remember so when IShowSpeed done with China, you know, Unk get famous, you know. Everybody want to go to Unk store, go buy Unk food, you know. And him there all along, nobody not pay him no mind. Just the people in the community know say, if you want a duck or some chicken or something, a film store you go. Now people are travel from all over China for go a film store, for go buy film goods. Because him advertise it to the world. So when you see Unk, I run back at IShowSpeed every minute. Don't bother think I just run him and run back at him, you know. A marketing him a do. Advertise him store and him business. And that exactly what happened when IShowSpeed gone. Him now have hand for count money. One at a time, him did look at a wife and him can't get a wife. When him done a be a woman a flock him. Where all of the woman them come from? Them see him as a cool person around IShowSpeed and IShowSpeed rate him. So just because IShowSpeed rate him, a big girl around back a Unk. You see me? So it's a way of him market a thing. So when them hear say Vybz Kartel come to Africa, everybody are going to show him the place there for market it. So when him left Africa, everybody know about your store. Everybody know about your little flower shop. Everybody know say you want artist who can turn the canvas upside down and paint it. And when I turn it back the right side, an exact picture. Everybody are going to show them craft and some hidden culture and some stereotype are going to break and things. We are going to learn a whole heap of things. Not only performance and him are going to pull the biggest crowd in Africa. A whole heap of things the man are going to do. Who know watch IShowSpeed, just type in IShowSpeed Africa and watch the things that we might do. Vybz Kartel not going to necessarily partaking at the things them when IShowSpeed a go, but him a go at the location them. You see me? That's what I mean. Because I say IShowSpeed, him a one wrestling woman, them a pull car, them like an activity there. When I expect Vybz Kartel to do them something, so don't get technical. You see me? But him a go at everybody's store and buy a one lunch this one. Him a say, yo, this are the best jollof rice in Africa. And then when him go to the next part of Africa, them a say, no, this is better than the one we go. And I be of them things that go, I'm like competition. Who have the best jollof rice in Africa? Vybz Kartel say the one they the baddest. Then the next man I say, yo, you not taste the one yet. You see me? He might get some gold, he might get diamond. I don't know if he might can take it to the airport like, I don't know if he might can bring the diamond them to the airport like that. But he might get a whole heap of something. They might show him some place where they mine the diamond and the gold, and you are going to see something first hand when Vybz Kartel go to Africa. Just like IShowSpeed, because why? Him have the same clout there, the same notoriety there, the same fan base there like what IShowSpeed have. Him have that in Africa. Yeah man, so me there watch IShowSpeed in Africa and I eat me a think about. And I say, yo, when Vybz Kartel go Africa, you know bro, you know go normal, you know. And I like the rest of dancehall artists them way, you probably see them go at the zoo. Like every dancehall artist, when them go to Africa, you always see them go on some little zoo or some little safari thing. Vybz Kartel now go just go to zoo and no safari. Some other things, bro, some hidden gems. What me say? Some hidden gems are gonna get exposed, bro. Some hidden community, some hidden talent, and you see me? Yeah, cause everybody are gonna want to give him a gift. And them things they are like gift. But like show him your talent and show him your food and show him your culture. Yeah, them things they are like gift. And you know everybody, you know what them say about Vybz Kartel Africa already. You see me? Shut up already say my like Jesus, Jaja. But yeah man people, right, that's where I end it, you see me? Yeah man, look out for IShow Gaza. IShow Kartel when him touching Africa. Biggest fanfare. But yo, if you're interested in more of my content, see the red arrow up onto the video there. That's my video when I drop before this, so you can go check it out. I don't know how it go. If a real talk me make, Comment Real Talk in the comment section. Like the video and subscribe. And the PayPal I got there in the comment section if you don't want to shot me a dog food. You see me? I am DJ Dreadbeard and this was another episode of Real Talk. Real Talk.